channel. If you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Today we are going to be doing a name painting. So let's get going. So first you're going to have a paper. I use this kind of paper because it's kind of thick and it's kind of small, and this is kind of the paper we need. So other things you'll need is water paint, you can see, and water. Just kidding, this is the water. And you need water. So for the brushes, you'll need three types of brushes. You'll need like some soft, pointy kind of brush that's a little round. I hope you can see it. Good. And this too, kind of smaller and pointy like the other one. And this one's kind of like a rectangle, and it's kind of like harder than the others. So let's get started. Oh wait, yeah, before we get started, my bad. Well, we will need some crayons. You can see, I hope. So you can take any crayons, you can be creative. So I have all kinds of crayons I'm gonna be using. I don't know, I'll pick through it. So now let's get fully into it. So I will do this. And so now you start writing your name with a different color. I'll use this color for my name. I'll use red for my brother's name, and I will use how about yellow for her. So first we're gonna write the name. I want my name to go first, and you want it to go like fully down to the side, like that very side. So I'll be writing it, and you want it all the way to the corner. So now my brother's name, and if anybody's name is like kind of small, then you can give it a space. It's fine if you have one square you don't have. You can just leave it out. So I'll write Zane. He has one. Now you can see that he has one square left. You can just leave it out. And my last one, my sister, Alina. So now time to paint it. So you can paint it any color you want, because you can be creative. So I'm gonna take the one this way. Yeah. So I'm gonna take this color, and you can put here. And I want to do my first one. I want to do my favorite color, so I will take this. I want to do my sister and my brother's name, this color. Don't try to go over the name. You have to be very careful on the edges. Wet. And I want to do orange for this. I mean, another blue. So do blue everywhere you want to do. So I want to do blue here. And don't do it on only somebody's name. And I'm gonna add blue here. Now I'm gonna go on to the different color. That color is gonna be green. So I'm gonna use green on my one. So I'm gonna put one on the end, right there. And one there. And I want to use another green, the same green on my R. So now I'm gonna do purple. I'm gonna put purple on mine. So I'll add red right here. I'll use brown. That's only like I haven't used. So I'll use brown on Alina's. So I will use green, like very, very light green. I think it's lime. Most probably. It's kind of a good color. So now I have almost finished my painting. There's still one step left, but first you have to let this dry fully. So let's get this dried. So now to dry, so you can see it. You can touch it. See. And now we are gonna put a coat of yellow on it. So I'm gonna take the yellow. And now to make them kind of a different color, it needs to be a little more yellowish. So I'll take more. And so after your yellow coat is done, you will take a dark color and start coloring every single thing. The grid, your names, and so on. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Now, this is the masterpiece. So, now I want to go hang it up on my paint wall. And so, you know how I said I would show you my painting? So this one I just made. I made this one. I made this one. I really like this one. I made this one. And I made this one. This one's not that good. And I like this one a lot too. And I made this one, and this one. If you like my video like this, please like and subscribe. Bye!